Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Jaguar XF. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jaguar is a great value with less than 37,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include cold climate package, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.